The first thing you notice when comparing American and European semi-trucks: size and shape. In the US, trucks like the Peterbilt 579 and Freightliner Cascadia are designed for the long haul. These trucks are massive, often stretching up to 70 feet when you include the trailer. The US federal regulations allow a gross vehicle weight of up to 80,000 pounds, with 20,000 pounds on a single axle and 34,000 pounds on tandem axles. On American roads, where space is abundant, these long-nosed trucks dominate. The minimum length of a semi-trailer is 48 feet, but there's no maximum length for the whole combination. However, the longer the truck, the more challenging it becomes to maneuver, especially in tighter spaces. Now cross the Atlantic, and you'll see why Europe's roads call for a very different approach. The cab-over design, like the Scania R Series or Volvo FH, is the only practical option. Why? European roads are tighter, loading areas smaller, and regulations stricter. The maximum length for a truck and trailer in most of the EU is 54 feet, much shorter than in the US. Despite the shorter length, some European countries, like Finland and Sweden, allow combinations up to 23 and 24 meters long. But even with that extra length, these trucks stay compact to meet strict turning radius and weight distribution laws. European cabovers also come with 2 axles as standard, though countries like Norway often use 3-axle setups to handle harsher weather. So, while American trucks are built for power and space, European trucks focus on efficiency and maneuverability. In the US, a 3-axle setup and wheelbase lengths of 223 to 254 inches are typical. In Europe, trucks are much shorter, with a wheelbase ranging from 130 to 157 inches and an overall length of 232 inches to 272 inches for a 2-axle setup. It's all about fitting into those tighter city spaces while maximizing payload.